or the chance or likelihood of an event to happen. So ang probability is probable, murag sa mga possibilities. So in the third, experiment and the sample space. Experiment is a process by which an outcome is obtained. So example of experiment is a rolling die. So para makakuha tayong process or something, di ba, mag-experiment kita. So, for example, ang experiment is rolling a die. So, the sample space is the set of all possible outcomes of an experiment. Example here is the sample space for a die roll is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, para makakuha ka o answer sa imuhang sample, sa experiment, imo na siya i-sample. So, which is ang example is a rolling a die, para makaibaw ka kung sa yung mga sample space, imo na siya i-roll, di ba? Pero ang mga possible magawas, ang mga naara sa rolling a die, which is the number 1, the number 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6. So the sample point is an element of a sample space. Element is the object within the set. Next, the event. It is a subset of the sample space. Now, siya two types of sample event, which is an event, simple event, an event with one outcome. Another one is the compound event. An event consists of 2 or more outcomes. So, sa simple event, usa ra gid siya ang possible nga outcome nga magawas, which is kung imo i-roll up die, kung na-state dito nga ang possible nga makakuha siya buwan, usa ra siya. So, pero kung sa compound event, wala ka ang possible nga makuha sa rolling a die nga even number or odd. So, di ba daghan? So, kung wala ka nga anang rolling a die nga makakuha siya o makakuha siya o odd number which are 1, 3, 5. So, tulo ang chance nga makuha nimo nga odd number sa kung imo i-roll ang die. The probability of an event. The formula is the probability number NEN over number of sample space. Number of experiment divided by number of sample space. So, example, probability of flipping a coin. What is the probability of a coin landing on head? So, P head is equals to 1/2 or 0.5 or 50%. Nga lang nakakount ni ngayon ani. So, the number of event is duha. Usa. Kaya ipakita naman kay head. No. Sa coin. Nya ang number of sample space duha. Which is ang possible makuha sa coin is it either head or sa kanya tail? Tail, yeah. So, 1, which is the head, over kapila siya kapila siya ka sample space which is duha. So, 1/2 mo ni 1/2 or kung i-decimal 0.5 or 5%, 50%.
The fundamental counting rule. In a sequence of n events in which the first one has k1 possibilities and the second event has k2 and the third has k3 and so forth, the total number of possibilities of the sequence will be k1 times k2 times k3 and so on unto kn. Now, in this case, and means to multiply. The fundamental counting rule, example, tossing a coin and rolling a die. Outcome sana siya kung toss ka ang coin, tossing a coin, and rolling a die kay na H1, H2 or heads 1 or heads 2, heads 3, heads 4, heads 5, heads 6. So tails 1, tails 2, tails 3, tails 4, tails 5, and tails 6. So 2 times 6 equals 12. Ano siya kanang sa fundamental counting rule? Kung mag-toss ka o mag-kanang coin. The fundamental counting rule, example, a paint manufacturer wishes to manufacture several different paints. The categories include color, type, texture, use. Sa color, nasa example nga red, blue, white, green, brown, yellow. Sa type, natay kanang example nga latex and oil. Sa texture, na flat, semi-gloss, high gloss. Sa use, pwede siya indoor or outdoor. How many different kinds of paint can be made if you can select one color, one type, one texture, and one use? So, ang kanang niya, Imuha ka ng kuan i-type, o imuha ka ng kuan ng pila ka book color. Nang example diri kay ka ng kuan na 7 ka color. Nya. Imuha ka ng kuan 7. Nya. Pila ka book type, imuha na duha ka type diri. 7 times 2. Nya texture. Naay tulo ka example lang texture. So 7 times 2 times 3. Nya ang use, naay duha ka use. Kanang outdoor indoor. So imo times ang total times ning kanang kuan. Ang sa color 7 ka example, sa type na ito ha. Sa texture na ito lo, sa use na ito ha. So 7 times 2 times 3 times 2 equals 84. Factorial rotation. For any number of n equals n times n minus 1 n times minus 2. Example 5 equals 5 times 2 times 3 times 2 times 1 equals 120. So 5 gani siya kanang bangga nya imuha ikan kanya kan murag 5 paubos tan may example 9. So ang 9 sa upan ka niya times ka niya o kan 8 7 6 ya betul kan. The use the formulas in the permutation and combination rules, a special definition of 0 is needed.
The permutation rule. The arrangement of n object in a specific order using r object at a time is called the permutation of n object, taking r object at a time. It is written as NPR and the formula is NPR equals n over nr. Permutation rule. NPR equals n over nr. Example, business location. Suppose a business owner has a choice of 5 locations in which to establish her business. She decides to rank each location according to certain criteria such as price of the store and parking facility. How many different ways she ranked the 5 locations? The formulation rule. NPR equals n over nr. Example, television ads. The advertising director for a television show has 7 ads to use on the program. If she select one of them, the opening of the show, one for the middle of the show, and one for the ending of the show, how many possible ways can this be accomplished? The combination rule. A combination is a selection of all or part of a set of objects without regard to the order in which they were selected. The number of combinations of n objects taken r at a time is denoted by NCR, where n is the total number of objects and r is the number of objects to be taken. The combination rule. Example, how many different ways can you select 2 letters from the set of letters X, Y, and Z? The second example, given a club with 10 members, in how many ways can a committee of 3 be selected? Combination rule of NCR equals n over nr close parenthesis r. Example, what is the number of ways in which 3 cards can be chosen or selected from a total of 8 different cards?
Normal probability distribution. A function which assigns a number to each element of the sample space is called random variable. There are 2 types There are two types, discrete and continuous. Yeah. Variable. Napoy two types ng variable, qualitative o quantitative. Yang quantitative na po na siya two types siya sa discrete o continuous. Yang normal distribution, the graph of the normal distribution depends on two factors, the mean and the standard deviation. Yang kaning population, mean, standard deviation. Basta morning lang buwan na tawag ni. Yang normal distribution mo ni siya. Yang normal distribution mo pwede siya sa kaning smaller standard deviation mo ni. Yang kaning po ng bigger standard deviation. Yang kaning mo ni ang ganito nga mo ni ang normal distribution.
Normal distribution properties. The graph is symmetric about a vertical line through the mean of the distribution. Areas under the curve that are symmetric about the mean are equal. So makita na siya diri naman siya ang normal distribution. So makita ninyo nga kung saan nasa side, mo sa siya nasa side equal. The total area under the curve is 1 or 100%. Standard normal distribution. The normal distribution can be used as a model to solve many problems about variables that are approximately normally distributed. This is the standard normal distribution where mean is 0 and standard deviation is 1. The standard normal distribution is a normal distribution of standardized values called z-scores. So the z-score, a z-score is measured in units of the standard deviation. The z-value or z-score is actually the number of standard deviations that are particular. X value is away from the mean. Here's the formula in computing z-score. So this is the formula of z-score. Z equals score minus mean over standard deviation. So here is example. The data set has a mean of 75 and standard deviation of 40. Find the z-score when the score is 85. So by using the z-score formula, so this is the to count them. Z equals x minus m over the standard deviation. So 85 minus 75 over 40. So 85 minus 75 equals 10. Then copy the standard deviation. So 10 over 40. So the answer is 0.25.
Finding areas under the standard normal distribution curve. Number 1. To the left of any z-value, look up the z-value in the table and use the area given. So, patat pa inanay nga graph, ang ipakita kay to the left of any z-value, monitor ang imong z-value, to the left man, so nadari ang imong ba. Monitor ang shaded area. Number 2, to the right of any z-value, look up the z-value and subtract from 1. So, example, kung monitor mo the z-value, or kanisa sa negative, kung nadari yung z-value, kung imo nilagay sa kuan di table nadre imong kuan imong z-value, pero ang ipangita dire kay madara man niya subtract 1. So ang imong kuan dire yung subtract sa 1 muna ang mo ni ang imong shaded area ito dire. Number 3, between any two z-values, look up both two values subtraction corresponding area. Kana mo ni imong sa z-value mo sa imong sa z-value imo na i-kuan dira z-value. The standard distribution table gives the area under the curves to the left of any z-value, given in two decimal places. Example, find the area to the left of z-value of 1.39. So, kani mong z-value 1.39, hindi mo na ilugin sa graph, nana siya directly inside, hindi mo na siya. Then, araw mo iba kanini mo table, ang top paglutan is ang 1.3 mo ni sa tingin side. Then ang kaning 9 dito sa ibaw, imo na iabot. Yang maabot rin ang under kaning 0.9177 mo ni ang kaning side. Ang conclusion, it means that there are 91.977% of this score less than or equal